Hi everyone, welcome to Masumi Academy. Learning today, leading tomorrow. We're back with another exciting lesson on daily English sentences with animation. Let's get started.
I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning.
I wash my face with soap. I wash my face with soap.
I brush my hair in the bathroom. I brush my hair in the bathroom.
I put on a clean shirt. I put on a clean shirt.
I make toast for breakfast. I make toast for breakfast.
I use deodorant before I get dressed. I use deodorant before I get dressed.
I check my bag before I leave. I check my bag before I leave.
I drink a glass of water in the morning. I drink a glass of water in the morning.
I check the time so I am not late. I check the time so I am not late.
I am ready. I leave the house. I am ready. I leave the house.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.